Welcome to greytHR. Now we'll show you how to manually add a job in greytHR Recruit. Let's dive in. Start by logging into the greytHR admin portal and navigating to greytHR Recruit jobs. Once you're on the jobs page, click on Add Job to create a new job entry. You can either choose a template and auto-populate the data from a previous job template, or can choose to fill it manually. If you want to fill it manually, begin with the job position by entering the relevant job title. Next, under Department, you can either choose an existing department or define new ones in employee position settings in the admin portal. Move on to the job category, where you can pick a functional area or create a new one. Specify the job type, such as full-time, part-time, or internship. Adding a job level is optional, but you can include it for internal classification. Under hiring type, choose options like lateral or campus hiring. Enter the job location, and if a new location is needed, configure it under greytHR admin portal, settings, employee position. You can also specify the number of vacancies, and if necessary, check the box to mark the job as confidential, keeping the details private. Next, add a detailed job description using the formatting tools provided. If the compensation details or CTC are already decided, you can specify them here. It's time to define the experience and skills required for the role. Set the minimum and maximum experience levels and select the key skills needed for the job. You can add or remove skills to refine your criteria. Capture additional information using custom fields under the Additional Details section. These custom fields are configurable from the settings page. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click Save and proceed to finalize the initial setup. If your organization uses a job approval process, toggle Request for Approval to Yes. You can then add reviewers, notes, attachments, and notifications for recipients to ensure everything is properly routed for approval. Now let's move on to defining the hiring team. Assign roles such as recruiter, hiring manager, and interviewer to the relevant team members. Remember, multiple roles cannot be assigned to the same user. Next, configure the hiring stages for the job. Review the default stages like application review and offer, and add custom stages if needed. You can also enable or disable automated pre-screening toggle to screen candidates automatically. Set up the interviews and scorecards by adding various interview stages and defining the competencies required for scoring. These competencies can be customized under admin settings to align with your hiring requirements. Now click on Save and Proceed. To customize the application form, you can select another template or view the form on the career page. Additional questions can also be added to tailor the form to the role's specific needs. Once everything is configured, you're ready to publish the job to the career page. You can post immediately or schedule it for later. You can also enable agency sourcing and assign agencies to refer candidates. If you're promoting the role as a hiring event, toggle on hiring events. You can also publish the job on external job boards like Naukri, Hirist.com, or IIM Jobs by specifying details like location, industry, and salary. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to add, manage, and publish a job using greytHR Recruit. Try it out today. We've just shown you how to manually add a job in greytHR Recruit. In our next video, we'll cover how to automate job approvals. Check out our other tutorials for more hiring tips, and thanks for watching.